Let's learn what Bulldozer Billy does.
I'm so excited to start working at the new construction site today. But where is everybody?
Billy!
Billy!
You're late, you guys.
Oh, sorry, Billy. I was getting something ready. Look at this. I loaded it with brand new concrete.
I brought high-quality materials to build a building with.
I worked out a bunch. Wanna see? 1, 2, 1, 2!
I didn't prepare anything.
All right, then. Off to the new construction site.
Let's go!
This is practically a wasteland. And the floor is a mess, too.
It must have been abandoned.
Huh? And what's with the old house?
There's no way we can start construction like this. What should we do?
Hey, don't worry, guys. I've got this. I'll clean all of this right up.
Yeah! If anyone can do it, you can!
Let's get rid of this building first, shall we?
You can do it!
Go, Billy!
Yeah! Heave-ho! Ha! This one's a little heavy. Better get rid of all these dead trees, too. Heave-ho!
That's amazing! You took that huge thing down in one go! You're so strong, Billy! You should enter the strong man competition!
There's still a lot to do, though.
Yeah, look at all that debris. And the ground is uneven.
Nah, it's nothing. Don't worry, I told you I've got this. Just need to go back and forth a few times like this, and get everything out of the way. And push all the dirt like this. Done! All cleaned up.
Wow!
You're awesome, Billy.
It would have taken us ages to clean all that up ourselves.
We'll be able to build a sturdy building thanks to you.
Yeah, there's no way we could have started construction without you. Thanks, Billy.
Thanks for the encouragement, guys.
All right, let's get started on the construction then, shall we?
Okay.
Okay.
Today we're going to meet Billy the Bulldozer. A bulldozer can push a huge amount of dirt and even out of the ground. It uses the huge blade in the front to move things like dirt and rubbish. It's also used to knock down trees, pull out roots, and plow snow. Bulldozers are so strong that they can even move really heavy bulldozers. They can do so much, which is why they play such an important role on the construction site. Thank you so much, Billy the Bulldozer.